Alrighty, Nick, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description of its combinations. Got a set of our SCAT, custom $900 roller. Got a SCAT crank in it. Custom DSS Pistons. Got your 347 valve covers on it. Holley EFI. Got the CBF front end. Go in there and make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 404 foot-pounds. Peak horsepower 410. Rated at 425. Front end, this front end's a good 20-25 horsepower. It's a CBF front end, as you well seen. You know, just to kind of give a little bit of an explanation there. It's got a very wide serpentine belt versus a lot of the competition that do that, you know, for belt grip and longevity. It's got a lot of belt wrap. Obviously, and too, it spins the water pump pretty fast. So all that added up, it's one of the highest horsepower Raleigh front ends that we run. Obviously, if you watch it, we run a little bit of everything, so get a good gentle grasp of it. It's a nice kit, very rigid. So that all being said, everything's sturdy, well built. Just those couple factors take a little bit of horsepower, but all in all, it's a nice situation. So. Basically now we'll pull pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and show you a couple things here. When you see me in, find a single check credit card and a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have the engine number, some motor specs. It means from us that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.